Today I'm gonna be fixing this slime. It don't stretch or anything, just floppy. Wear hair. All you need, lotion. I'm not an expert at slime, but doesn't look like it's working. Yeah, this was a fail.